Welcome back to United Tradesman Academy. Hey guys, look, we got a great day for work. And actually, I'm gonna be using this for the first time. Thank you to Car Weeks for blessing me to be able to use this thermal imaging camera. Hey guys, look, since I do electrical and I do air conditioning and heating, thermal imaging cameras are a must have, because if you're trying to diagnose a circuit breaker, and also too, when your diagnosis is finished, you can take a picture of the heated or the overheated, you can take a photo of the overheated circuit breaker with this and send it to your customer. And it's potentially, you can do a maintenance plan. You can come back and say, hey, with my thermal camera, I can do a thermal imaging maintenance plan where I come out and check your panel for any type of hot spots, because this thermal camera is going to pick up any hot spots that you have. Same thing with your heating and air conditioning. So guys, look, let's get in here and get started. I didn't even tell y'all what I'm gonna be doing today. So I actually have to replace a blower fan motor. So this blower fan motor is an ECM motor that's in the carrier unit. The carrier, this is an air handler furnace. They have electric heat. Yeah, so it's a air handler. They have electric heat. So I think a few days ago I came out and diagnosed the no heat call. So actually the homeowner here, they did not have any airflow. They would turn the thermostat on, but it would not come out the vents. No heat would come out the vents. So I came out, diagnosed it. Immediately when I opened up that panel to the air handler, it was extremely hot. So guys, look, we're gonna change this out and get them some heat back going. I'm actually gonna bring this down and work on it, because I do not want to work on this up here. I don't want to bring my tools up here. Alright, so I like to start off by spraying all this stuff down. Not all of it, but I like to start off by spraying a little bit of WD-40. Because when you strip these bolts, strip these nuts, you're in for a world of trouble. I just sprayed some WD-40. What's my crescent wrench? There. So. What I also like to do is I like to put a little bit of WD-40 down in this hole. I take this screw out right here. I spray a little bit of WD-40 inside of that hole. Okay, I just put it back in there so I don't lose it. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and use the I'm gonna go ahead and clean the top of that shaft off. Yep. Give one more little squirt. Turn it back over. So take a look at these right here. Oh, that thing is already moving now. Oh, that's good. Look at that. That thing is already kind of loose. Well, it was moving, it just moved. Now, take these out. Okay. I gotta get my small crescent wrench. Or actually I need to get my socket set to get that right there. Slow motion. Easy enough, huh? I'm not gonna argue or complain about that. I don't think this is completely necessary, but I just do it because I'm a little anal, so I see where my previous hole was for the screw, the set screw. It's about 3 3/8. So I'm gonna mark it right here, 3 3/8. These shafts are the exact same length, so I like to try and put it back from the factory like how it came. Snug it down. All right, guys, I'm gonna tighten this rest of the way up right here. I'm not gonna bore y'all with 5 minutes of torquing on this thing. Never fails. Okay. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Looks good. Yeah. There. Strap back on here. Okay. Yeah. control wire. So looks like white goes to 4, blue goes to 2. White goes to 4, then blue goes to 2. Blue to 2 and white to 4. All right, so now I need to put this last little ground on here. And I gotta use the restroom real quick. All right, guys, we're gonna test the Kawik's thermal imaging camera. So as you can see, right in there, it's roughly 98 degrees, and the temperature's climbing. Of course, it fell just a little bit because I got the door open, but you can tell how detailed this thing is. You can see where everything is hot at. Oh, that's cool. Auto shutdown. Okay, so 119 degrees coming out of there. See if we can zoom in on there and see. This camera is great. All right, so I'm glad they got heat back over there, because to be without heat in the wintertime, no matter if it's just 40 degrees or just 50 degrees, but if it's in the 30s or 20s, absolutely got to have heat. So I'm glad I got that family squared away with heat. Hey guys, it feels good when you're in the service industry like this, where you're electrician, you're plumber, HVAC guy, because it's almost like it's almost like we're the modern day superheroes. We go put out fires everywhere, you know. So guys, look, also too, I want to thank Kawik's for allowing me to test out this wonderful product. Guys, look, this is a game changer for your business. It makes you look more professional when you walk in with a thermal camera. Oh wow, this guy has a thermal camera. We don't see those often. Well, yeah, we do more than just the traditional roles of an HVAC company or electrical company. You know, we actually do quality control, quality assurance. So guys, look, thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time back at United Tradesman Academy.